Hey folks, Mike and McGee here. We haven't done a cooking video in quite some time. If them guineas don't shut up, we're gonna have a cooking video of beginnings. But anyway, I was at the store and I didn't know that they had alligator meat. Most of the time when I cook something here, it's something I either raised myself, hunted myself, or fished for myself. This is not going to be the case. We don't have alligators in Tennessee, but we enjoy trying different things. And so I got it, we're gonna fix it up, and we're gonna eat it. Let's get into it. All right, we're cutting it open here. It looks like we got a pretty good product from Cypress Creek Farms. Now, we didn't go to Cypress Creek Farms. I got them at a place here in town called Jerry's IGA, and we enjoy shopping at Jerry's. They're usually very good about everything. So, what I want to do first, there's water in with this meat. I want to dry this meat off so that the seasonings will stick to it. All right, we've got it patted dry. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lightly salt this. Then we're going to do our seasoning flour mix. Putting the salt directly on the meat will cause the salt to bring out the flavor of the meat better. So that's why we do that. What we use is Camp Dog seasoning. It is amazing. We have some fish fry seasoning mix left over from when we did fish last time. So we're going to use that. Camp Dog. It's some good stuff. Get you some if you can. All right, I've been informed we can't just eat meat. Well, I agree. So we got some okra. It's actually not actually okra. It's called vine and okra, but it's actually loofah sponge. I know Joe down there at Joe's Garden and Bees, he don't necessarily care for it, but we have started eating it and we like it pretty good. So we're going to fry all this in Mangalitsa bacon grease. That's the essential oil around here. If you'd like to try out some Camp Dog seasoning for your very own, just get down in the head of the comments and go to the link. I've got a deal for you that'll save you 15%. Also, I hear we're going to have mashed potatoes, which we just dug these out of the ground this week. So they're going to taste very fresh, and if you don't think fresh potatoes are better than store-bought, you just ain't never had any. All right, the way we're going to bread these is drop them down in this bag. These are nice big pieces of meat. I'm pretty happy with that. When you buy it frozen, you don't know exactly what you're getting. We ended up getting some nice chunks. So we're going to shake them up like that, and then we're going to lay them in the grease. All right, we're frying this all up real good. You can hear rain in the background. That is Hurricane Ida. We don't get hurricanes here in Tennessee, but we get the rain from the hurricanes. Feel bad for the people down there. Hope y'all get everything built back soon. So here we are cooking alligator in Tennessee. Down there where the hurricane hits, where the alligators are, they're not here. But it's kind of fitting that we're having hurricane rain while we're cooking alligator. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it and finish cooking it, then I'm gonna slide it in the oven. I'm not very, well, I've never cooked alligator before. I have cooked turtle. It needs to be cooked for a while, slow. I'm just assuming the looks of the meat, and it is an amphibian. I think I'm gonna cook it slow and low for a while in the oven in the same skillet. Is it hot? All right, we've got alligator, we got taters, and we got climbing okra. Usually we just have a bunch of boys and we just quickly eat up some meat that we've highlighted in the video, but today we've got all of it and basically a whole meal. So go ahead and start trying that. We're going to try this alligator. Now this guy, he was my cameraman for the entire time of this video, except for the shot that's happening right now. And so for doing that, he's going to get to have the first bite. Go ahead, buddy. Too hot? Hey, I'm going to have the first bite. It's tender. Wow. White meat. You want this?
Yeah.
Take a little bite. Okay, he'll take a bite here in a second. I want to show you this meat. So white. Absolutely beautiful. I would say the closest thing I can say is chicken. I mean, that is very, very good. Try again, pal. It ain't hot. It can't be. There you go. That's a piece of white, beautiful meat. Do you give it a thumbs up? Is it really good? It's got the great flavor of the chicken. I'd say alligator flavor, but that Cajun really brings it home. I'm telling you. Just pop the whole thing in there. That is some good stuff. I'm telling you. These taters were dug this week. The boys helped me. My daughter, she grew this okra. Good. We love it. Well, that's the first time alligator's been on this channel. I hope it's not the last, because that is so good. Now, they've been having hurricanes down south in Louisiana. My old buddy Chris Cruz down there was going to take me last year, and Hurricane Laura blasted us out of that one. I'm really hoping to get to go down there and hunt alligators with him sometime. But we'll see. If not, I guess we'll have to go to the store and pay top dollar. But not that it'd be cheap to drive down to Louisiana and back. But we're going to get on out of here and gather the family around the table. It's a little dark on this old rainy day in there. That's why we do our taste tests outside for you. But that's all we've got for you today. We hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.